Guys, the air show's starting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dude. Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, the rumble. Those planes right there travel faster in light. Not light. Oh shit. Oh my god. The sun is intense. I have to blast it, y'all. This is intense. Thank you to all those subscribers. Well, it's like 0 subscribers. It's only 2. Thank you to Thomas Halmine and Dominic Mullins. Look at that after smoke. Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Oh. Perfect! So good, so good, so good, so good, so good. There's a rumble. There's a rumble. Got all excited there for a second. Oh shoot! Look at this one, look at that one! Bro, my eardrums! Bro. My eardrums. Dude, my eardrums hurt like heck. Oh, dude. Oh my god. That looks some stars or something, bro. It just smells like burnt, like rubber. Seriously, I can't see the smoke, and if y'all can, please comment down. But it smells like burnt rubber. Oh my god. There's one that went all the way to that direction. Oh, there it is. Bro, I can see a plane. I think I see one. Look, there's all the way over there. It's that tiny speck down there. It's that thing, those things are really fast. I'm not lying. Tomorrow, you might expect a vlog. Oh yeah. Ooh, that was lit. That was so lit. My friends over there, they playing a basketball game. So, I can't see them. Right there, playing a basketball game. I can hear a rumbling. I can hear a tiny rumble. Okay, there they are. Oh my god. It's like by the trees. Okay. I couldn't catch them on camera, but yeah, the trees. It's the trees, my dude. Yeah, Rolex company, can y'all sponsor me, please? I got a watch. It's not a Rolex. I wish it was a Rolex. Oh shoot, flipping good, bro. It's a flipping good plane, my dude. It's coming over here, bro. It's coming over here. I feel. Yeah. Hey, chill. Dude! Oh my god! Bro. Hopefully they come next year. Hopefully. I hear something. Oh, rumble, bro. A rumble, my dude. Stop zooming in and out. can feel that through my body. I felt that through my body, bro. Dude, that was oh my god, bruh. Whew. That was awesome, bruh. This air show is awesome. Yeah, you know what? At first, this might sound kind of racist, but I thought we had nuclear war, right? You know, against who? I don't gotta say it. All right, just chill out, okay, people. Politics right now are really angry at me. I'm no joke. I guess, kind of. I don't know. Little trees. Did you see a little glimpse? I bet you did. I bet you $100 you probably did. I don't know what the video or not the video. I don't know what the name will be for this video. It's like air show. World's awesomest or best air show. I think it's not awesome right now. I can't see nothing. Oh, I thought I had the flash on for some reason. I'm walking. I'm gonna come this way. Clean shot, bro. Clean shot. Clean shot. Oh my god! Holy quackadoodle, bro. Oh my god, bro. That's so. Look at that fish, dude. Look at that Miss Captain Fishy. That was good. If you're wondering what Air Force this is or what the name of the air show is, it's probably Blue Angels, alright? It's Blue Angels or something. I don't know. That's what they're called now. I think. Just chilling in the truck. Dude. I'm going to stay in these two little rows right here. Dude, this is lit. I'm not gonna show my face anytime soon. You know what? Flip that. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Okay. That was lit. I'm just putting a button in my pants. Wait. I'm locking it on my pants. Just looking at my neighbor's yard. Pretty. There's gonna be all over. Oh shit! I want to get down because this is gonna be loud. I don't know. I have one type of anxiety. Oh yeah! Oh my god! Anxiety that just makes me want to go down. What am I saying? Why are you saying it's not good when it's really good? Bruh, this is good. Oh my god. Windy. Why is it? It's such a windy day. Windy Saturday. Well, this video is gonna be 11 minutes, I think. Alright, and if it's longer, cool. I don't care, cause I'm gonna post 2 videos today. I want to post 2 videos today. My mom is in the truck. My dad is all the way over there. Alright. Oh best shows. And guess what? I live just by the airport. Myrtle Beach International. No. Chill, bro. It looks like a DNA bar. Oh, wait. It looks like a DNA bar. It kind of looks like a DNA bar, and I'm burning the heck in here. Oh my god. Looks like a flippin' DNA bar. I hate you, Teresa. Dang. Bro, this sun hates me so much. Bro. I put some strong cologne on. My eyes are watery, so watery. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yes. This is lit. This is so lit. This is so fire. Oh my god, you can all see the tree, I'm sorry. Okay, not anymore. Oh my god, the sun is hard in my face. I need my shades, bro. Hold up. Where are they? They're in my head. I'm in my flipping head, bro. Loud noise, be careful for the rumble, my dudes. Wasn't that bad of a rumble, actually. Never mind. Sorry, my dudes. Alright. Wasn't that bad of a rumble. Some bird dookie. I wanna get up, out. It burns. It's hot. It's hotter. It's hotter than heck in here, bro. On here, bro. Not in here, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Yeah, bro. I think I might just like post this video on YouTube right now and then make like a part 2. Actually, you know what? I want to like take the whole entire air show. Look at all that smoke. Look at all that flipping smoke. This looks lit. There's my dude Jeremiah over there. You can't see him. Bro, chill out. Dude, that thing is fast. No! The rumble! Okay, you wanna go, mate? Mate, you wanna go? Okay. He said he probably didn't wanna go. You guys would have thought, because I'm gonna beat that dude up. Oh, there they are. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry that I'm saying bruh and dude a lot. I'm just really nervous because this is like one of my first times in YouTube, like making a video. So like, this is probably gonna be my third video. Honestly, this is my third video. Oh my god. That is lit. That plane, dude. Oh, fast as heck plane. Dude. That is loud. There goes one. It travels faster than light. Oh my god. I just seen a plane come so near, and I'm like, oh my god, that plane was loud. I said hi to one of my neighbors too, so I had to cut the camera. She said she didn't want to talk like for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? She just told me like, whatever you do, please don't show me on YouTube. She's a really private lady. I'm like, okay, that's good. Oh my god, that is just beautiful, fantastic. Oh my god, that is lit. I think I might just end the vlog there. Or actually, not. Really not. I think I might just like end this tiny video. Just end this video and put. Actually, wait. You know what? I'm thinking about it. Let me just have a little moment to think. You know what? Flip that. It's all hard. Flip that. Oh, flip, yeah. It's flipping red. Rumble, no, bro. Rumble. It's messing hard. But, oh my god, sorry. It's shaking. The ground is shaking because of how much noise I make. It's a nice heart, though. Dude, that's a very nice heart. That's a very nice heart. Bro, that's like, I don't know what's happening to the airplanes. Like, wait, you know what? I think I just realized how they make the smoke come out. I need Jesus. I need Jesus, bro. Oh my god. Did you see that? I think I didn't get it on camera because of how loud that was. It was so near. It was just past that tree down up there. Now oh my god, that is loud. Dude. That was so loud. Like my heart, dang. It felt so hard. Like the shaking was so hard that it went through my whole entire body. Like, oh my god, Jesus Christ. I need Jesus, bro. I need Jesus, honestly. I honestly need Jesus. And it's flipping hot. It's flipping hot. It's flipping hot out here. I'm gonna go down here to a shade, okay? Okay. Oh, it's so If I jump and break my hand, I need Jesus, bro. Bro. This is like, oh my god, boy, thank God. Because now the sun isn't gonna burn, but it's still fiery. It's still an inferno down here, okay? It's Infernicon. Sunny. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Red hand! I meant to stop the camera because I was talking to my friend, but I was like, did I do something sincere? Whatever, bro. I'm talking about because of how awesome this is.